Hi guys, I am Rebecca and these are my reviews, and I have a new subscription box. This one is called Apollo Box and it's basically just a bunch of stuff. So you sign up, you fill out a questionnaire, you tell them all of the things that you want, and then you can pick either the $30 box or the $50 box. You can get it monthly or you can get it quarterly. I am very curious to see what is in this box. Oh my gosh, lots of crinkle paper. Jeez Louise with the crinkle paper. And it's supposed to be all stuff that you will love and that you will use, not just junk. They sent this to me, so I do have a discount code for you, so definitely check out the description box for that if you are interested in getting this. Oh, okay, so these must be like the cards talking about the things. Okay. Okay, so the first thing in here is this Capital Vice's Skull Lip Balm. This is super cute. You know, it's funny, I actually have one of these, but mine is black. I like the pink. How cute. Look at that. Isn't that cute? And then the head twists off and there's your lip balm. Ooh, super minty. Yeah, the one I have is black. I don't know what the flavor is, but I don't think it's minty like that. But I do love it, and it's just cute to like sit around. So I leave this on my bookshelf behind where I usually hang out at the table. And so I can just kind of reach behind me and use my little skull lip balm. Very cute. I love this. Okay, what's next? Ooh, cute. A little lemon dish. I guess you could use it for whatever you wanted, you know, put little trinkets or serve small amounts of cheese. I don't know. Anyway, that's really cute. It's a cute little dish. I like it. The next thing is a charming Yacht candle. This is a candle? Okay, so that is the cutest little Yacht candle, right? It's adorable. It's really tiny. And I worry about when you burn it, you know, won't it just sort of melt into a puddle? I don't know. I'm gonna set it over here with my nautical candle holder. Very cute. Okay, and then the last thing in here, I like this velvet blue bag. Ooh, peacock earrings. Oh my gosh. Oh, I can't wait to put these on. Okay, something like that. Those are really cute. I love them. Those are cute. They're kind of crazy and I love them. Awesome, well that is a fun little box. I love everything that I got in here. Very cute stuff, and stuff that, you know, I certainly have not gotten in any other boxes, so I love it. Super fun. All right, well thank you guys so much for watching. Definitely check out the description box for discount codes and links and all of that good stuff. Please give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!